Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Lenk, your trusted broker. Welcome to my outstanding new listing located at 3616 Woodleigh Drive. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a renovation, it's a transformation. You have got to see it to believe it. Welcome, join me. Freshly renovated custom-built residence in the heart of North Dallas. Coveted private school corridor with timeless craftsmanship and designer finishes. This is a truly turnkey luxury home. Offers an upscale lifestyle in a highly sought-after location. Just minutes from elite private schools, major highways, shoppings, and dining. Step inside to discover the sophisticated living that's thoughtfully designed for you and your family. Ladies and gentlemen, it's pool time! Welcome to this outstanding resort-style backyard featuring a pristine pool and gorgeous covered patio with outdoor kitchen connected to a gas grill directly. This amazing backyard also have an outdoor heated shower. You don't want to miss it. You guys have to schedule your time and come and see this beautiful, outstanding property today. You've got to see it to believe it. Call the Link Agency today and book your appointment. I will see you at the other side.